Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald Williams, is going to teach you about chikungunya. Definition: chikungunya is an illness caused by a virus called Chikungunya family Tropinidae. Two forms of mosquitoes transmit the virus among individuals: Aedes albopictus and Aedes aegypti. During the day, they mostly bite in a variety of species, including birds and rodents. The virus will circulate. The virus was first isolated during an outbreak in Tanzania in 1952-53 from patients and mosquitoes. The virus occurred extensively in sub-Saharan Africa, India, and in many areas in Asia. There was an outbreak of this disease in Kolkata in 1963 to 64 and another in China in 1965, which resulted in 3 lakh cases in Chennai city alone. Chikungunya is a local word meaning doubling up due to excruciating, matlab intensely painful joint pain. Epidemiology: during the rainy season, when the Aedes aegypti mosquito vector population is at its peak, this disease occurs. Mosquitoes infect humans with bites. Analysis suggests that the virus has a wild cycle that occurs between jungle pyramids and mosquitoes like Aedes and members of Aedes family, close to that of yellow fever. Fever with rigors can rise to 103 degrees Celsius to 104 degrees Celsius. Fever contributes to the production of interferon in significant amount. Chikungunya fever is not an illness which is life-threatening. Using anti-inflammatory drugs together with rest symptomatic treatment for mitigating pain and fever is typically appropriate. Although the anticipated outcome is recovery from chikungunya, convalescence may be prolonged up to a year or more. An analgesic and long-term anti-inflammatory therapy can be needed for chronic joint pain. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Kerala are the states affected by chikungunya. In 2006, the country reported a total number of 13,90,332 suspected cases of chikungunya fever. Agent factor: two forms of mosquito transmit the virus among individuals: Aedes albopictus and Aedes aegypti. Host factors: monkeys are the primary virus receiver, but other human, rodent, and bird can also infect. Environmental factors: flood, global warming, population explosion, deforestation, development of resistance in vectors to insecticides, unplanned urbanization, etc. Incubation period: the time varies from 1 to 12 days after the bite. However, the resulting fever normally affects the immune system of the person. Similarly, infants are often particularly susceptible to the onset of initial symptoms such as fever and pain in the body. Mode of transmission: the chikungunya virus is also spread by mosquito during the viremic phase. The mosquito picks up the virus from an infected human within 5 days from the day the symptom begin. An infected mosquito will remain infected for its entire life cycle, and each time it bites, it will spread the virus. The infection cannot be transmitted directly to other people by an infected person. In India, the principal vector of this virus is Aedes aegypti. Aedes albopictus and Aedes vitis can be spread through it. The chikungunya fever virus is transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquito from person to person. The principal vector species is Aedes aegypti, and it is widespread in most urban areas. Aedes aegypti breed almost entirely in domestic man-made water reservoirs found in and around home building sites and factories. Groundwater storage tanks become primary habitat in a hot and dry area. Under the optimum environment, the life cycle of the Aedes aegypti aquatic stage can be as short as 7 days. It can take several weeks for adults to develop at low temperature. There is an estimated adult survival of just 8 days for Aedes aegypti. The danger of swine transmission is greater during the rainy season if survival is long, up to 21 days. Aedes aegypti is extremely anthrophilic. As a diurnal species, females having two biting periods, one for several hours in the morning after daybreak and other for several hours in the afternoon before dark. Aedes aegypti generally does not bite at night, but in illuminated rooms it will feed at night. In dark, humid places inside home or building, including bedroom, bathrooms, and kitchen, Aedes aegypti prefers to rest. The underside of furniture, hanging items such as garment and curtains on wall are the chosen indoor resting surface. It can often be found in vegetation or other protected places outdoors. When taking blood meal from a person in the acute febrile phase of the disease, female Aedes aegypti typically become infected with chikungunya virus. The salivary gland of the mosquito becomes infected after an extensive incubation period, 8 to 10 days, and the virus is transmitted when the infected mosquito bites, injects salivary fluid into another person's wound. Thank you.